Morning guys, March 10th, 2023. So I got a call from a guy. He's got an older furnace and he says it's making all kinds of noise. And he said it's a Bryant. I know I was there in the summertime and I dug the condenser out of the mire. It was way down inside, all kinds of stones. He bought this house. So I know that the unit's not new. Usually when a furnace starts making all kinds of noise in the fan, the thing's shot. He says he needs to know, so we're gonna go by there and see what's going on with it. I'm thinking it's probably a 25-year-old unit. Probably time for a replacement. I'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. The complaint is the furnace is making all kinds of noise. It's a hot air furnace.
1 mile. Turn right on the road.
The fan's probably let loose, giving it the old shake treatment. Doing the old funky chicken. That's the exhaust fan. Fan didn't kick in yet. It's probably the fan down below. Huh? Really? So it's louder than this? Yeah, it must be the fan. Wait for the fan to kick in. Have you changed the filter at all?
I have.
When did you do that? Okay.
Been ready to do it again.
Fan hasn't kicked in yet. Wait for the fan. So it kept you up, huh? It was louder than that?
Yeah.
Boy, you got a lot of stuff, huh?
Oh,
Oh, shit.
we just moved all the stuff from Florida.
You sure it was coming from this furnace?
I think it has. I don't know where else it was. Of course, it was pictures by the time you got here.
Yeah, I want to hear the noise you're talking about, you know?
Well, that's pretty noisy. Let me see if I can get that.
That's pretty noisy? Well, that's spinning over okay. You said it was a racket?
Yeah, it was like, it's hard to describe, but it was fluctuating, you know, going like that.
Oh, really?
Sound, yeah.
I want to see what happens when the fan kicks on. It could be that that motor up top seems like it's a little rattly. Hear it?
Yeah.
Maybe I can get some lube on that. Put a little lube on that baby. It is a little loud, huh? I mean, this is an old furnace. It's not worth putting all kinds of money into it. See if this thing will fire up. That's enough to keep you up, that noise right there, no?
Yeah,
There goes the flame. I want to see the fan come on. Might be able to oil that for now. Maybe get a little bit more life out of it, if that's the problem. Let's see the fan come on. See what the fan does. You don't think it was that noise up top?
It could have been. You know, again, I'd have to go upstairs and see what it sounded like up there. That could be it.
There goes the fan.
Okay. So the fan's not making any noise.
The fan's running now, full bore.
Okay, so
It's gonna be that. It's gonna be that top.
Yeah.
That top blower assembly.
No, the fan's not.
Why don't I try to get some oil and oil it,
Alright.
and see if we can get it to quiet down a little bit. And we're gonna need to upgrade the equipment, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, this shit's old. 83. 1983.
30 years old.
Yeah.
40 years.
23. 43 years. Right? 43 years old.
Not as old as mine.
Well, I mean, usually get 25 years out of them. Then go 43. Let's see if I can oil that. Okay?
Alright.
Get you by for now.
Yeah.
What I got for oil? Try to get some oil in there and get a little bit more life out of it, but
Yeah.
ain't looking good. Try that out. Yeah, that quieted it down.
Better, way better.
Look at that, huh?
Oh, what a deal. Okay. I think I can live with that for a while.
Well, I mean, it's just kind of... Everything's getting dry, you know?
Yep.
Get you by, but... She's getting old. She's getting old and crusty.
Uh-huh.
You know how that works, right?
Yep.
Yeah, look at that. It's quieted it right down.
Sure did.
And we know it's not the fan because I checked it.
Right.
That's what they call a temporary fix, okay?
I understand. You want
No, the filter looks fine.
Oh, okay.
Let's check it out. Yeah, we should change it, yeah.
Okay, here,
Boy, it's awful dusty. What are you doing? Some kind of work upstairs?
No.
Yeah, let's just put a new one in there while we're here.
Yeah, I was gonna do that the next day or so anyway.
Yeah. I wonder why that bracket fell off. The bracket seemed to fall off. The bracket. Alright, that's better.
if I did replace this, it would be more user-friendly.
What? Say that again?
I said, would a new one be more user-friendly than putting filters in and stuff?
Well, I could make brackets and whatnot for it, you know.
Yeah. This one's a pain in the butt. Change the filter.
Kinda.
And if you don't get it closed properly, it won't work.
Yeah, you gotta get it closed right, or it's a problem, you know.
Yeah. I woke up in the middle of the night. We had to change the filter last time. It was cold. All that, and the furnace wasn't working. Had to get down here in the middle of the night and figure it out.
Definitely quieter now.
Yes, yeah, that made a big difference.
Yeah, we just had to give it a little lube.
Yeah.
Alright, so a little oil on that thing. Quieted it right down. I wonder what we got there. Yeah. What we got there for? It's probably a little 2.5 tonner. To get some measurements. You want to let it ride, or you want to get your price on another one?
I'd definitely like to get a price on a new one.
Yeah. So you know what you're dealing with, you know.
Mass Save people were here doing an energy audit.
You don't want to go high. You don't want to go high efficiency, because if you do, now you got to vent it outside. The furnace.
Right.
And if you go high, super high efficiency with air conditioning, you're not going to get your money back. You ever hear the saying, keep it simple?
Yeah, well,
I would put a 13 SEER in here with a 13 SEER air conditioner, you'll be fine.
Right.
You're not going to get a rebate, but if you go with the 16, 18 SEER air conditioner, there's all kinds of problems and super high-tech shit.
yeah.
And you're going to have, in the future, if it ever breaks, any money you're going to save, you're going to end up wasting on the thing.
Yeah, they say they'll give me up to $10,000 if I replace it with a heat pump. That's what Massachusetts says.
Well, heat pump's electric,
Yeah, I know.
you know? Do you want to go with a heat? I don't think heat pumps are good up here in the winter because...
Oh, they say they are. They say the new ones are, that they put... People in Maine are heating them up now.
I don't know.
Yeah, they...